Here's a 2015 Fiat 500 Pop. Make a statement with the sleek contours of this Fiat. From the exterior detail to the convenient Blue and Me hands-free communication and multi-function steering wheel, it is proof good things come in small packages. Safety does not take a back seat. Stability and traction control and 7 airbags, including multi-stage front airbags, keep you protected. Zip around town in this Fiat. Take a test drive today. It's a 2015 Fiat 500 Pop. Beautifully designed with you in mind. Convenient features like remote keyless entry, a multi-function steering wheel, and Blue and Me communication give you everything you want at your fingertips. Drive easy with safety features like stability and traction control and 7 airbags, including multi-stage front airbags. Cruise in and take a look at the zippy design of this Fiat 500 today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.